In this video, we're going to cover how to license the Canary software after it's been installed. Licensing is server-based, so there's no need to touch any client's machine that would interact with the software when it comes to licensing. We're going to look at two methods to license it depending if the server has internet access or not. So in this scenario, we're looking at a fresh install of a Historian machine, which also includes a local Axiom service, ODBC service, and the View service. All right, these are the four components of the software that require licensing. Collectors, which are typically installed on other servers, are not licensed, so you can have as many of them as you need. And the Excel add-in and the Read API are included with the Views license. And if we didn't need the Excel add-in, we wouldn't even actually have to license Views. The system would still come with the 25 concurrent API licenses. Okay, so we have two menus over here depending if you're going to add the license manually. So this would be if you don't have internet access, and then the bottom one would be if you do have internet access. So we'll start with the top. So if the server doesn't have internet access, you're going to have to get on a machine that does, and you're going to want to grab this license code, and you'll need your serial number that you would get from your Canary representative. So you're going to go to canarylabs.com, and you would select the support tab, and then select licensing info, and you're going to put in your information on these fields. Here's where I've plugged in my license code and the serial number, and then we're just going to license the Historian. Click Submit. All right, we'll copy this key that it's generated for us and go back to our admin and then plug in that key. Okay, so we've pulled the Historian license, so you have the serial number. There's an expiration date if it's a demo license or a subscription license. If it's a perpetual license, this would just be set to never. Okay, so that's how you would manually pull the license if the server doesn't have internet access. But if it does, you can simply just come over here, fill out these fields, and then select which products that need license. So we've already pulled the Historian license, so we can select the other three and click Get License. Okay, so it's easy as that. One thing to keep in mind, each time that you pull a license, this license code updates. So if you were going through the website, you can only do one product at a time. So once I would license the Historian, I would have to come back and get a new license code to get the next product. So that's just something to keep in mind whenever you're licensing the software. All right, thanks for watching.